When assessing the one-tailed likeliness or unlikeliness of a z-score, you got to keep this graphic in mind. We're dealing with a 95% confidence interval, so this entire graphic is 100%, but this is approximately, this is 5% exactly right here. This is the area of rejection. From this point to this point is 45% of the distribution, and from the mean to this tail is the other 50. So that's 50, 45, and 5. They give you 100% of all of your scores. Okay, if you look at this number here, 1.645, the way it was calculated was that was a 45% mark right here. So in order to see where you get that value from, you go to 45% on the Z chart, but it does not have 45%. You could find 44.95 and 45.05. So, but there's no 45 exactly. So this is what a cutoff point would be that was represented in the graphic. And that the z-score of 1.64, it corresponds with 44.95, and 1.65 corresponds with 45.05. So this is where the area of rejection begins. So anything that is 1.6494 would be within the area of acceptance. Anything above 1.645 will be rounded up and put into the area of rejection. All right, the first example I'm going to use would be the reading score of 78.32. It has a z-score of 0.77. Now, if you look back at the graphic, you're reminded that anything below 1.65 would be in the area of acceptance. So this would be this area right here. So with confidence, you put the absolute value brackets on it. 0.77 would be less than 1.65. So that will make it likely. So it would fall into this area of 95%. Example 2, the reading score of 24.76 has a z-score of negative 1.98. Now, this negative score is a reason why the absolute value brackets are necessary, because the value of this statistic is 1.98, which is greater than 1.65, which will make it into the area of rejection. And unlikely.